Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of our lesson, Speak English in a Better Way, in just 10 days. By following some conditions, you also get a chance to take free spoken English classes with me for 1 month. If you haven't gone through earlier lessons of this exercise, so I would suggest you to first look into it before you start with this lesson. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel. So all you need to do is follow these 4 simple steps to speak English in a better way. Please go through these instructions carefully, and if you have any confusion, then please refer to the first part or leave a comment below. Remember that you have to follow this exercise for 10 complete days for better command on your English spoken. So let's begin. Pause the video and read the passage carefully and record it to complete first step successfully. After you have recorded your audio, it's time for you to listen my audio. So here's my audio.
Imagine that you are seated in the theater looking at the curtain which hides the black screen as you wait for the movie to begin. What will this picture do for you? How will it affect you? What impact will it have on your life? Will you feel moved, perhaps even to tears? Will you laugh at a comedy or feel terrified at the crisis faced by the hero or heroine? Will you feel wonderful waves of love and compassion or surges of resentment? All these feelings will pulse through you and more, for the picture you will see is about the most fascinating person in the world, yourself. In this theater, which is in the mind and heart of each of us, you are the producer, director, writer, actor or actress, hero and the villain. You are the film technician up in the booth and the audience which reacts to this thrilling drama. The exciting story unfolding upon this inner screen is one which is invented every second of your life, yesterday, tomorrow, but most important, right now. Will this story have a happy ending? Is it full of happiness and success or sorrow and failure? The storyline is already there, and the discerning eye can tell the direction in which the story will go. But one realization can comfort you. Since you are the dramatist, the director and the actor, you can change the story as it unfolds. Now, this instant, and for your whole lifetime, you can make this a success story. You can be the hero and conquer the villain, and you can make this a heartwarming story which will enrich the lives of all who know you, rather than a drab mechanical tale, a chronicle of boredom.
Audio, listen to yours as well. Repeat this listening exercise for 3, 5 or 7 times depending on your level of understanding. Now it's time for you to record your audio again and make a comparison between your first audio and the audio that you recorded right now. Follow this exercise for 10 complete days to improve your spoken English. Now coming to the giveaway conditions that you need to follow to get free 1 month spoken English classes with me. Read them carefully, and if you have any confusion, leave a comment below. Results will be announced on 9th of August. Classes for the selected candidates will begin from 10th August. This was all about our today's lesson. Do let us know if you liked this video in the comments below. If the video was helpful, please like it and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.